In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a Google Calendar. Whether you're organizing your personal schedule, managing work tasks, or planning events, Google Calendar can be an incredibly useful tool. Let's get you set up in just about 5 minutes. First things first, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Begin by navigating to Google Calendar's login page. Once there, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Fill in those details and click Next to proceed. It's important to ensure you're using the correct account, especially if you have multiple for work, personal use, or other activities. After you've successfully logged in, your next step is to go directly to Google Calendar for the month of October 2024. Why October 2024, you might ask? Well, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're using that month as a reference point. But of course, once you're familiar with how to navigate the calendar, you can jump to any month or year as needed. Now let's personalize your calendar a bit. Look towards the bottom left of the screen. You'll find a small plus icon. This little button is your gateway to creating new calendars, which can be incredibly handy for separating different aspects of your life or work. Go ahead and click on that plus icon, and from the options that appear, select Create New Calendar. This is where the fun begins. You have the opportunity to give your new calendar a distinct name and description. Be as specific or as broad as you like. For instance, you might be creating a calendar specifically for team meetings, family birthdays, personal fitness goals, or even your gardening schedule. The name and description will help you identify the calendar's purpose at a glance. Once you've entered a name and a description that satisfies you, it's time to make it official by clicking Create Calendar. And just like that, you've set up a new calendar in Google Calendar. This new calendar will now appear in your list of calendars, and you can start adding events, reminders, and notes as you see fit. Remember, the beauty of Google Calendar lies in its flexibility and customization options. You can color code different calendars, set notifications to keep you on track, share calendars with others for collaborative planning, and even integrate with other apps and services to streamline your scheduling even further. And there you have it. A quick and simple way to start a new calendar in Google Calendar, tailored just for you. Experiment with different features, integrate your calendar with other tools you use, and soon enough you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Happy planning,